This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 31st, 2022. It's currently August 24th, 2022, 11:52 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, looks like we have a failed attempt at a breakout, or we have a breakout, but it doesn't last, something along those lines. It looks like it's probably the same level that we tried to break through on the 28th as well, because we have the same theme card also nullified. It's pretty interesting. Behavior around the day's high on the 31st, we'll have a failed attempt to break through a key resistance that people are expecting, the street's expecting us to break through, yet we turn around and we decline through key support. And this is on a one-day scale, guys, unless I specify otherwise. We're talking about one-day chart scale. Behavior around the high, we're going to have an unexpected move to the upside out of the high. Trade opportunity near the high, trade opportunity near the low. Like a good one, in other words. And we're talking about one day scale, remember. So I'm advised to trade around a prominent trough on the one-day chart. It'll stand out. I'm advised to trade around that failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. I'm advised to trade at the end of the day, cash in at the end of the day, it looks like. Likely I purchased protection on the 28th at some point. Looking to likely sell that protection somewhere towards the end of the day, it looks like. We have a notable move to the upside out of oversold territory on the RSI, either that or from a previous gap down we're filling. There's a day's low early in the morning. We have a notable move to the upside out of that day's low and some volatility, maybe some news that comes out early in the day around this low. Then between roughly 10 and 11, we have a move to the upside that successfully turns resistance into new support. There's a trade opportunity around that new support. We don't stay at that high level very long. We decline from that new support between roughly 11 and 12. We'll be near overbought territory on RSI. Between 12 and 1, there's sideways price swings with a bullish trend. I'm advised to open up some protection in the midst of a crest here. And then a decline commences after 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, somewhere between noon and 2 o'clock, it looks like. The third cross will confirm a bullish trend, but it's kind of like a fake out. There's a move to the upside, followed by a full retracement back down, and we have a really notable drop towards the end of the day, or notable drop here in the last 2 hours of trading. More probabilistic as we move forward towards the close. A notable drop, a lot of price movement here in the right around the close, and we have a move higher through resistance, followed by a breakdown through that same price level shortly thereafter, somewhere right around the close, in the midst of some bullish sideways price swings with a bullish trend that precedes a decline. And you can see the sneak preview card for the following day is notable decline due to multiple headwinds. And that's the S&P 500 for October 31st, my friends, 2022. Again, it's August 24th, so this is over a month ahead of time. We're giving this stuff away for free, my friends. Do the channel a solid by either signing up for your Webull account through our affiliate link below in the description, or when you make that money from this reading, pay a little bit of that forward, pay a little bit of that back to Approveb's Cash App, and make sure that you spend it all that money out of love, my friend. As long as it's out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one.